Thank you very much for tuning in to What Do You Drive. Today, this is a different video, to be fair. I just want to tell you about my mystery van, and there are several reasons why I say it's a mystery van, and I'll tell you more about it as we get deeper into this video. But literally, it just blows my mind. Okay, so surfing on the net, you know, like just browsing, not surfing actually, just browsing on the net, and I saw this car and I was a bit like, oh, that's a nice car, that's a nice van. Therefore I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna, you know, just try and get more details about it, and which I did, and something just caught my eyes. I was like, what? Is that even possible? Out of curiosity, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy it and see even if it works, literally. And I did. I bought the van. It was delivered to me, and I was all like, okay, this is just like a dicey coin. Like, it could be a whole crap that I've just paid for, or an amazing thing. Because first of all, I was not expecting anything from that particular brand. Okay, so it's a Fiat Scudo, and obviously it being a Fiat, the expectations are not high, you know, because they always have this either electrical issues, so many problems. So for the car to achieve that kind of I would say figure, it was just stunning. So after paying for it being delivered, I took my keys, paperwork, and then I did start the car. Lo and behold, it did start with just the flick of the key. I was like, whoa. It actually starts. Oh my days. Yeah, and I was still surprised. So first things first, I got the car into the shop for a health check, and I did a major full service on it. So I did a full complete service and started driving it. Obviously expecting it to break down in the middle of the road somewhere and, you know, being stranded. But no, after about almost close to 2 months, this car is still driving. Like, it drives, like it moves, everything works perfectly. And I'll show you the reason why it still blows my mind how everything is still working. And it literally boils down to the mileage. I have never in my entire life seen a car with this kind of mileage. Never, like never ever. So, you know what? Let's just cut the chase and show you guys what I'm talking about. So let's see the big number. Okay, so that's it. This is 572,929. I bet you weren't expecting that for a Fiat. Bloody hell. Yes, that's the big number. And look at that. Just with a flick, bang on. Absolutely no issues. Sweet as that. Look at that number again, guys. Look at that number. 572,929 miles. That is insane. That is insane. It is ridiculous. Yeah. So this is the van, and it's an award-winning van actually. So in 2008, you can see it won International Van of the Year. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch the video. Kindly, if you like the video, just click the like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you.